Long ago, well, 2 years ago, we ventured to this area to see what's going on. Turns out that it was a destination waiting to happen. After a few days, the video of the place went viral as people were scrambling for something new. Something fresh enough that they could still feel the breeze, hear the birds, or simply experience new culture.
Gerinne, so what are we doing here?
We are documenting Mount 26.
Wow. Why do we call it Mount 26?
I don't know, it's probably the 26th mountain we are documenting.
Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what we're doing either. Thomas, what do you expect from this hike?
I don't know much what I can say.
Is that a good or bad thing?
I like adventure.
Yeah, you're
But
positive
let's
about this?
I'm excited about to see the falls that we don't know how they look like.
What do you think about snakes?
I'm not thinking about snakes. Don't make me think about snakes.
It's part of the deal.
Okay. Let's
Alright.
see. What should I do if I see a snake? Scream?
Scream,
Okay.
run,
Sounds
cry.
good. I'll do that.
Yeah, right.
The birth of mountain tourism gave livelihood and new hopes for the locals as guides, store managers, transport operators, and so on. Not long ago, they were cutting down trees to make charcoals. They didn't have much, not enough opportunities for them to broaden their horizons. No jobs, no roads, and limited choices of delicacies. Simple, though peaceful.
Okay, there's a lot of rock scrambling. We've been rock scrambling for, what, 20 minutes now? I'm with Ice and Johnny here. Limestones, sharp limestones.
Simon lied to us.
Yeah.
Said it was a moderate. So don't ever believe any word.
I kind of salvaged myself
Yeah.
last minute. I told them, you're like, oh, the guys don't even know. But it's fun, right? The person who don't enjoy loses.
Actually, dapat expectation ko pala. I expect that Simon would no longer lie to us.
You've been hiking with me for 3 years, so I guess the veracity
I have a
sticks.
new mantra now.
Should have learned.
High acceptance. Low expectations.
No expectation.
Here's a proof that these people are bullying me.
That's what you learned when you hike with Simon.
No! Censored! Censored! Okay, we have a sea of clouds. We made it. I thought we wouldn't made it because the sun is way up. What do you think of the clouds? Ice? Beautiful? Majestic? Awesome? Pretty?
The unicorn land.
And the viewpoint, 413 MASL. Good job, guys. Woo! Lots of limestones. And we have one. Jovi, Fern, Jam over there, Thomas, there's Guy Glenn, Romel, Joni, Ice, Kala, we're there enjoying the sun.
I used to love you like the world would end.
Nice. I thought we wouldn't make it in the Sea of Clouds,
Used to
but
love
we
you
made
like
it.
a child.
Over there, Cayabu Mountains, the huge
Thing
ones.
about people, they change when they walk away.
Heading now to the summit. We just came from the viewpoint.
Hi.
And I don't know how long it's gonna take us.
Hi.
I leave her for 1 minute and then she
You
sleeps.
start real slow about the things that no one knows. I hate when people bring me flowers trapped in glass, their final hour, and life rolls. It's all so fast until it slows. We cried that night in Carver. Realized we were letting go. I used to love you like the world.
Woo! Bit of shade.
This is heaven, man.
Used to love you like like
So I'm here with Thomas. Thomas, we've been hiking for 9 hours under the sun. 9 hours.
We got exhausted.
There's no shade. There's no water. Here we are. Good job, guys. Yay! Thanks, Mr. Glenn. Jam. Good job on your first.
Yay!
Congrats. Job.
It's not a perfect world, but this effort has prevented, or at least lessened, the rate of deforestation, conversion of forests to farms, resorts, mining, and other massive and almost irreversible destruction of mountains. With a new phase, it also poses new challenges: questionable fees, alteration of the landscape, and few little things. We're still learning. It's a long journey, but we ask our fellow climbers to hear well and do more than just look. How do we balance this? We want to hear your thoughts.